Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We'll start up our 80 Bronco here. See gas gauge moving up. Where's the source on this? Figured out? Probably not. Does have a radio. I don't know if it works. I'll show you the rear glass here. Rear glass goes up and down. There's your dome light. Blinker to the left. Blinker to the right. That indicator's out. I know it works. So horn works. Wipers work. May have to look at the fan. It did work, I know. Yeah, there's some air coming out there. That works. So we'll turn the lights on. Let's take a listen to the engine. Air conditioning. 302 in it, or no, 351 in it, what it's showing here. There's a tag right there, 351. We retrofitted it. But it runs nice. So, except for the radio, which I thought that did work, everything seems to work on it. So, any questions? Oh, see there, you can shut it off so nobody can steal it. It's pretty cool. 605-695-7391.